To disassemble DualShock 4, you'll need PH0 screwdriver and plastic spudger. Remove screws from the bottom of gamepad. In description of this video you can find links to new gamepad battery and disassembly tools. Pry up gamepad case near earphone spot. Next, you'll need to pry up the case near left and right triggers. And now, remove bottom case of gamepad. While removing bottom case, you'll need to remove backlight FEC cable. Now remove gamepad battery. Next, remove battery securing area. Remove screw that secures mainboard. Remove touchpad cable. And now mainboard can be removed. Also, sticks can be removed from mainboard. Clean mainboard with cotton swabs. In description of this video you can find links to new gamepad battery and disassembly tools. If some buttons don't react push each time, you can try to recover its functionality with graphite pencil. It won't grant you 100% efficiency, but mostly it helps. Now start to assemble gamepad. Place mainboard to its place. Connect touchpad cable to mainboard. Secure board with screw. Now place battery securing area on mainboard. Place battery to securing area and connect it to mainboard. Connect backlight cable to mainboard. Take attention the way that cable must be connected. If it be connected upside down, backlight won't work. Gamepad bottom case must be installed starting from upper edge, where left and right triggers placed. Now check if something would interrupt snapping of the bottom edge of gamepad case. If there is not, snap it. Now, when gamepad case fully closed, check if gamepad works by pushing PS button and watching backlight indicator. If it's alright, secure case by tightening screws. If you need to replace sticks or recover gamepad buttons functionality, watch other videos on this channel.